Hello and good evening. One of the students wanted me to guide audit students for test of controls. So here is a small video on that. First understand what are internal controls, then we'll go on to test of control. A company always employ some control systems so that it doesn't have to incur any loss. For example, you get laptops when you start working with a company. The moment you join your job, the company gives you a laptop. This laptop is password protected. Anybody can come and open the laptop and access the files. Does that happen? No. For safety purposes, so that anybody cannot come and access your laptops because there are client files in it, the company keeps the systems and laptops password protected. This is a control which is being put by the company to save itself from unauthorized access to data. Correct? This is a control which they have employed. Now the first column of the question comes, identify the control deficiency. The question will give you, it will give a hint of what deficiency is there. You don't have to create a deficiency. Do not imagine. The question will give you the signal. For example, in such a case, the password which is used by an employee is very evident. His wife's name, his own date of birth, or it is being put on a sticky note and it is being pasted on the table of the employee. So whatever are the facts of the case, you need to highlight the control deficiency basis the question. Do not imagine. Most of the students lose marks because they start imagining that this can be the problem, this can be the problem. The question is telling you what is the problem. So here in this case, the problem, the control deficiency would be the password can be easily known by others. Now, how will you draft the answer for it? In the control deficiency column, first give the case briefing. The laptop of the employees is password protected, but the employees keep the password written on a sticky note and paste it on their tables. Now, this is the case briefing. Next paragraph, now you tell the control deficiency. What is that deficiency? Now you highlight. This password can be known to others and the systems of the employees can be accessed by unauthorized personnel. So this is the risk you are telling. And now give the impact. This can lead to theft of data from the systems, causing a loss to the company. So I covered the control deficiency in 3 paragraphs. One was the case briefing. 2, I gave what is the problem area in that case briefing. And 3, what will be the impact of this problem? The impact will be loss will be incurred by the company because somebody will come and access the system in an unauthorized manner. There will be breach of data confidentiality. Now you need to give a recommendation. Give a recommendation that corrects the problem. What was the problem? That the password can be known by anyone. So your recommendation should be, the password should be kept secret. It should be an alphanumeric number or alphanumeric password should be used, which should be changed more frequently and should be kept as a secret one with every employee. That is your recommendation. Now, test of control. Now, whatever you have recommended, you need to give the test of control to that recommendation only. What did you recommend? You recommended that password should be changed frequently. It should be alphanumeric. It should not be easily known. It should be kept secret. Now, check if the passwords are kept secret by the employees. Randomly, take a sample of passwords of the employees and check if they are alphanumeric. Input this password in the system to check if the system does not give access to wrong passwords. The system doesn't open with wrong passwords. Check it. Put wrong password in the system and then check if it opens the system for unauthorized or wrong password. This is how you will put up the test of control. Check how often is the password changed. So whatever you are recommending, you have to give a test for those recommendations. So test of control is on your recommendation, not on something else. Majorly what students do is they give a different recommendation. The problem is something else, recommendation is something else, and then the test of control happens on something else. That's the problem which happens in most of the cases. Even if the students write correct answers, but they are not writing the recommendation on the problem. They are giving a recommendation on something else, even if it is correct. They are not writing the test of control on their recommendation. The test of control is given on something else, even if it is correct. And that is where you do not identify where you went wrong in audit. So just try to practice questions. Immediately the moment you see this video, drag 2-3 cases, 2-3 questions, and then see. The first thing in identifying the control deficiency is give a case briefing, then give what is the deficiency, and then give the impact of the deficiency. Give what recommendation you suggest, and at the end, give a test of control. So immediately, the moment you see this video, you have to practice 2-3 questions. It should be clear by that time. Okay? We'll come up with more videos to help you all. Till the time, keep on studying, keep on progressing. Thank you so much and take care.